Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video, we are going to learn how to make a home decor paper rangoli. So this video is very similar to my last video which is up here. So if you haven't checked that video yet, I'll give the link in the description. You can definitely check that. But this video is not the same as my previous video. This is a little bit different. So today we are making a home decor paper rangoli, and to make a home decor paper rangoli, you will be requiring these materials. So guys, now first to start with our rangoli home decor, first we would require to make some leaves. So if you remember from this video over here, we made some leaves. We are going to make those same leaves, but those leaves were a lot bigger than the leaves we are going to make in this video. So for that, first let's take a triangle in. So as you can see, I have taken a blue triangle in. So I have cut this triangle out of a square piece of paper. So if you align it properly, so if you see, I have cut one of these triangles from a square sheet of paper. So when you get a square sheet of paper, we just need to fold it 2 times to get this type of triangle. And if you haven't seen this video yet, I'll give the link in the description. The last video was about a paper rangoli, but this video is kind of similar. This is a rangoli home decor. But now let's move to our leaves. So for our leaves, we will require a triangle. So the bigger your triangle is, the bigger your leaf gets. So first for the triangle, we have taken this, and now we are going to slightly from the bigger end, we are going to slightly fold it. So as you can see, I have made the first fold over here and I have made it very thin. The thinner your fold is, the better your leaf looks. So now as I have folded it first over here, now we will turn this sheet like this, and similarly with the same size, we are going to once again fold it. Now as you can see, I have folded it 2 times. Now we will once again rotate it and fold it. Now we will continue doing this till we reach the end over here. So as you can see, I have folded it until here. Now as you can see from the end over here, we are going to keep it downwards, and from the middle, we are going to fold it inwards like this. So as you can see, once we fold it from the middle, we get a nice leaf structure. Now using some glue, we are going to stick it in the middle. We are going to apply some glue over here and stick both of these corners. So first let's stick them. So guys, now I have stick the first leaf with Fevicol, and now I have made many more of these leaves because for our home decor we will require many of these. So first let's bring many of those leaves in. So guys, now as you can see, there are quite a lot of leaves over here, and now we are going to use these many leaves, which I think wouldn't be enough for our rangoli, but let's keep these leaves on, but first let's keep these leaves on a side. So guys, now all the leaves are gone, and now we are going to bring in the cardboard in. So as you can see, I have cut out a circle from a cardboard, and on this circle we are going to make our home decor. So first we are going to cover this circle with glitter paper. So I have the required glitter paper to cover this circle. So first let's stick some glitter paper on this cardboard. So So guys, now as you can see, I have applied the glitter paper on the cardboard, and now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to turn this around, and now we are going to take some bamboo sticks. So as you can see, I have taken some of these bamboo sticks. Now we are going to arrange it properly. Now parallel to the middle of this circle, you can take out the circle's middle when you make the circle, and we are going to align these sticks like this from the middle over here.
A few moments later.
So guys, now parallel to the center, I have made a design from these bamboo sticks. Now these sticks are single. As you can see, this is the middle part over here. Now from this middle section, I have made one stick go here, 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 and four of these sticks go diagonally. So we basically have a structure of a clock now. Now as you can see, these spaces are empty inside. So now we are going to stick these bamboo sticks over here where I have placed them properly. Now you must be wondering, why are we sticking these bamboo sticks? Because we are sticking these bamboo sticks because we have these leaves over here, and these leaves we are going to stick on top of these bamboo sticks. So basically the bamboo sticks are for support. So now we are going to stick these bamboo sticks over here, and then we are going to stick these leaves on top of them. So guys, now I have sticked all of these bamboo sticks in the middle. Now we are going to turn this circle around. Now as you can see, we have a nice clock shape over here. So as you can see, there is some gap over here. In these gaps, we are also going to attach some bamboo sticks. These bamboo sticks are going to be a little bit longer than these ones. So for example, this is the normal bamboo stick. This is the normal bamboo stick size over here. This bamboo stick, we are going to attach something like this so that our home decor looks nice. So first let's stick these bamboo sticks. So for these bamboo sticks, we are going to apply bamboos. We are going to stick some bamboo sticks over here. These bamboo sticks were right in the middle. Now this bamboo stick is between two other bamboo sticks. So one bamboo stick would come over here, the other one would come over here, one over here, one over here, one over here, 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 and here. So as you can see, now these bamboo sticks, I have arranged them quite randomly. Now I'll give proper spacing in between them, and we are going to stick these bamboo sticks. So first let's stick these bamboo sticks. So guys, now I have sticked these sticks over here as well, and as you can see, these sticks which we have sticked just now are much more longer than these sticks which we sticked earlier. Now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to add some leaves on it, and now our Rangoli home decor would look more realistic. So first let's bring in one leaf. I have taken a pink leaf over here, and right on this over here we are going to apply some glue, and we are going to stick this leaf over here. Now similarly, once we stick this leaf over here, we are going to take one more leaf and stick this over here. So as you can see, there are two leaves on one of these sticks, and over here as well we are going to stick two leaves. Now you can also stick three leaves over here as well, but this leaf will overlap over here, which I don't think would do anything with the looks of our rangoli. So if you want to stick three of these leaves, you can stick one over here, overlapping this over here like this, and one more leaf over here, or overlapping this over here. So we have three leaf on this large stick over here. On this small leaf, you could barely adjust only two of these leaves. So the choice is up to you, how can you make it. But now we are going to stick these leaves all over here. So first let's begin sticking those leaves. So guys, now I have finally sticked all of the leaves, and as you can see, if I show you properly, sorry if I'm going out of frame. So if you can see now properly, I have finally attached all the leaves in our home decor paper rangoli. So guys, now as you can see, I have attached mirrors on the sides as well. Now I know you may not see them properly. You might see the mirrors a little bit blackish because the mirrors are reflecting the light currently. I'll show them to you properly. But now we are going to do something over here because this space looks a little bit blank. So first, what I was planning to do is, because I had this big mirror, I'm going to attach it in the middle over here, and I have the same circle mirror but a little bit smaller. So I will put that around over here as well, and I'm planning to stick these triangular mirrors over here beside these orange leaves, so that our rangoli would look nice. So the final look would look like. So guys, now as you can see, our final look should look something like this. I haven't sticked the mirrors yet. Now let's continue sticking onto the mirrors and give our home decor the final looks. So guys, now as you can see properly, I have finally attached all the mirrors in the middle as well. Now if I take my camera a little bit outside the frame, now you are able to see almost the full home decor paper rangoli. So this is how you make a home decor paper rangoli, and this is how the final look looks like. Now we are not going to add anything more in it, and the mirror section is optional. If you want to do it, you can definitely do it. It looks even more better with the mirrors attached, and this is how you make a paper rangoli home decor. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And after subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.